Now we will assume that the data is normal, that individual data sets are normal. Okay. Here the attribute here is the tenure years. I think you will have three categories: 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and greater than 3. So just to confirm that, we will do one box plot. Go to graph to identify how many sample sets are there. We can just perform the box plot. Go to box plot with groups.
Yeah.
Now absenteeism first.
Yes.
Categorical variable is tenure years.
There.
No, tenure years. Double click there. Yeah, very good. Say okay.
Four.
There are 4. Okay, so which means there are more than 2 data sets. Then we can go ahead and do another test. Okay. So now we are assuming that we know how to do normalcy. So we will not do that. We will only do test for equal variance. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to stat ANOVA. Now you in the bottom come down up. Test for equal variance. The responses, which is no, everything is fine. Response.
Okay.
Absenteeism is your Y, so select that. Factor is tenure years. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, in the graphs, yeah, you are getting, select only the box plot. We do not want summary. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now method null hypothesis, all variances are equal. At least one variance is different. Okay. Significance level, that is a confidence interval, it is alpha 0.05%. Now check the p-value. Not that. Yeah. So the Levene's p-value is
0.025.
which means it is not greater than
0.7.
So this data we cannot take it for this we cannot perform ANOVA test. Okay.
Why? Because the p-value is less than 0.0.
Yes. At least one of the variance value is not in the radar or is not equal to the other variance. Okay. So what do we do is, in this case, we will check which is the one variance which is very much, which is not in the thing. No, look at there. Look at the confidence intervals here. Or if you look, see, it says that the first one, the standard deviation 0.07, 0.11, 0.21. So at least one of the variances is very, very different. So with this, we cannot perform ANOVA test. Okay.